Good day and welcome to Codeverse. Codeverse is an online platform where we teach you on web design and development, UI and UX design, graphic designs, video editing, and so many other tech tutorials. If this is your first time of joining us here, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all the social media handles as seen on your screen. Now, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how you can change the default login page for your WordPress website. So you have finished building your WordPress website and you actually want to give your WordPress website the admin login page, a fancy design, just like you can see right now. This is a login page for WordPress admin. You can see this other one again. This is another fancy login page for your WordPress admin. So you want to give it a fancy design so that it will look different from the default one, just like this. Then watch this video. Please do well to like and also share this video to your friends and family. So now let's head over to the tutorial. So you're going to log into our dashboard right now. So once you head over to your dashboard, you're going to go to plugins. You go to plugins. You go to add new plugin. Then you're going to search for this plugin called Login Press. You can see that. So you can see the plugin right away. You click on install, activate. Once that is done, you're going to see the plugin right in your plugin field or sections. So if you didn't see it here, you're also going to see it in appearance under this page here. You're going to see Login Press. So you click on Login Press. Once that is done, it's going to take you over to your customizer on your appearance section. So you can see that right now. It has taken us to this customizer field. So you can see that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on, you can see Login Press here. You click on Login Press. So right in this Login Press, we're going to change the background to any theme we want. So we have basically two free themes here. We have this default and we have this other one here. The rest are premium. So if you like to subscribe to it, you can as well do that. So you go back. The next one is the logo. So it gives you the option to add a logo to your admin login page. So you could disable it. If you disable it, the logo is not going to appear. So we are enabling this logo field. From here, you can go ahead to change the logo or to add in a new logo for your site. So once that is done, you could just add this, you click on choose. So from here, you can actually decrease or adjust the setting, the width of the logo. Then you can also give it a login title. So what will be the title of it? You can also give it any title as well. So rest that is fine. You go back. The next one is background. So on this background field here, you can actually change the background image to any gallery you want. So we have this. You can see the background right now. We also have this. We have this as well, and so many others. So if you have an image on your computer, you could click on this button to upload that image as your background. So we stick with that, then we'll go back. So the next one is the customize login form. So in this place, we're going to customize this particular login form here. So you can see that this login form is very transparent. So if you disable this transparency is disabled, so there's going to be a white background for you on this particular page right now. So right now, this particular field, this place here is transparent. So now you can see the font width. If you decrease it like this, you can also increase it like this, just like that. Okay, so you can see the input field background color. Input field background color is this particular field, this input field where you type in your text and all that, anything. That is the background color. So you could change the background color to anything at all that you actually want. If it's white, you could change it to white and just like that. Okay, so if it's black, you can change it to black. So let's leave it at that. So rest that is fine. The input field text color is what will be the text color when you are typing inside. So you can change it to black. You can see the color is changing right away. So we'll leave it at white. All right. So the next one here is the label, the input field label. The labeling is this. So you can see the label color. You can also change it to any color of your choice. So let's leave it at white. Then we have the font size for the label. You can increase and decrease the font size. Then we also have a remember me button here. So you can see the font size. You can actually decrease it in this case. So we'll go back. So the next option we're looking at is the customize forget form. So if you forgot your password, you forget your form words will be the customize. So we'll have this background here. You just click on publish. We'll go back. Then we have the button beauty. So this button beauty has to do with this particular button here that you click. So what will be the button color? You can change the button color to anything of your choice. You can change it to any design of your choice. Okay, so leave it there. Then we'll go to the border. There's a border there. You can also implement the border color. You can see the border is white. Then the hover, when you hover your mouse on the button, what will be the color? So you could change it to any color of your choice, just like that. So that is for the button. You can see the button size here. You can reduce it. You can make it 100%. Then we can see the radius. You can see the radius as well. The radius is the angle line, so you can do that setting from here. So there are a whole lot of settings you can actually do from here. It's all dependent on you, so you could try and play around with it. So we have the error message. These are the error message you get here. So you can change the text, can change the text to any text of your choice. The next one is the welcome message. So you can see the welcome message, forget password, you can give it to any name and all that. Then we have the next one, which is the form footer. So the form footer has to do with this section here. You can see the form footer. It says, I forgot my password. You can give it anything. Some is the default one is lost my password. So you can just type in anything here. I forgot my password. Anything at all you feel like typing. So we have the next one, which is the footer text color, which is white. You can change the color to anything of your choice. So we leave it at white because of the background that we actually used. So we need to make it visible. So there are other settings you can actually do here. You can see the copyright background color, which is this copyright background color. So you can make it like this. You can see the copyright background color. Then what will be the text? Let's put the text white. You can see that right now, okay? So rest that is fine. We just go ahead and we'll click on publish. So let's see if there's any other settings here. All right, so we are good to go. So we have actually created our login page for admin. So we have overridden the default login page that came with the WordPress. We have done something different, or we've done something unique from the defaults or the normal WordPress login page. Please let me know in the comment section if you find this video useful, and do well to subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on all the social media handles that we are in. So to confirm if this is working, so we need to close this and log out. Then we'll try logging in again to see how the login page looks like. So I'm going to log out right now. So wow, you can see that right now. So we have this fancy login page. You can see how awesome it is. It's even beautiful than these other ones here. So we can see that. So it looks very, very awesome, very beautiful. So this is how you do this particular stuff here. So please, thank you for watching, and please, I encourage you to share all our videos to your friends and your family as well. Bye.